Now, there's so many ways to make money online from the comfort of your home, but the most guaranteed and sustainable way is to make money using digital skills. That is, you're going to learn a high income digital skill and then use it to make money from the comfort of your home, just like me. Now, the major challenge here is learning these digital skills can be very expensive. That is, if you want to learn cybersecurity, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg, and not most people can afford that, which is a big challenge and why most people don't go for it. What if I told you that you can use Deepseek to learn everything that you need to learn gradually and at your pace? That is, Deepseek is going to become your mentor and is going to walk you through how you can learn any digital skill that you want, whether it's cybersecurity, data analysis, or programming, or web development, or anything whatsoever. And it's going to guide you through the process from start to finish, from start to when you can start making thousands and thousands of dollars. And Deepseek is totally for free, and the resources, they are completely free as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, all you have to do is to go ahead and fire up your browser like so. And we're going to go ahead and visit deepseek.com, okay? And you're going to go ahead and click on Start Now. So when you put your password, you're going to go ahead and click on Send Code. Now, what it's going to do is going to send a code to your email account. Whether it's email or Yahoo Mail, is going to go ahead and send a code to your email, and you're going to get that code, input it here, and then click on I confirm and click on sign up to sign up with Deepseek. So once you sign up, you're going to be automatically signed in. So now that we have this, the next thing you're going to do is to make sure you highlight this. Just click on it to select it, Deepseek R1. Select it and also select search. Now, what this means is that it's going to think within whatever that it's trained with to give you the best answer, the best results. And if you select search, that means it's going to connect online to search online as well. So if you want it to generate something that is not generic, something that is not from the internet, you can uncheck this. But if you want it to generate something from the internet, or get resources from the internet, then you're going to select search. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to turn on search because we want to search for tutorials, we want to search for courses that are totally free of cost. So now the next thing we're going to do is to put in our prompt. And to do that, I have a prompt library that I've put together already so that I won't waste your time typing it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And by the way, if you need this prompt, I'm going to be letting you know how you can get this prompt towards the end of this video so that you can just copy, paste, then make some edits, right? So now that I've copied the prompt, so I'm going to jump back to Deepseek and I'm going to paste the prompt like this. And the prompt is simple. I am a novice / complete beginner. Now, this is very important that you state it so that it understands that you don't know anything about whatever that you want to learn, right? So you must add this, novice / complete beginner. And I want to become a cybersecurity expert in 120 days. Now, you can always change this to whatever course, whatever digital skill that you want to learn. Whether you want to learn programming, you want to learn animation, you want to learn app development, and so on. All you have to do is to put it here, right? And then the next instruction is give me a proven guideline to follow and YouTube links to watch for clarity and step-by-step guide, right? So this is all you need. And now that we have it, I'm going to go ahead and send it and let Deepseek go ahead and process this and break down what it's going to take to learn cybersecurity, where to learn it, how to learn it, and everything that we need. Now, how cool is this? So here you can see that it's done generating and it's looking amazing already. I just love how well detailed Deepseek is, and the fact that it's completely free. It's amazing. Let me know if you want me to do more tutorials on how to use Deepseek to achieve greatness and make money online from the comfort of your home. So here you can see phase 1, foundations, and days 1 to 30. The focus for the 30 days is computer and networking fundamentals. When you are trying to learn a skill online, especially on YouTube, everything is just scattered everywhere. You will not know where to start from. It gets confusing and gets overwhelming over time. But with this, you know exactly what you're doing and what you're expected to do and the result you're supposed to get. Now, how cool is this? So here is the resources that you need. So all you need to do is to go through these links. So now let's click and check out. So we can see this is amazing. So now it has brought us to this YouTube video. Oh, come on, come on. Can your ChatGPT ever? Can your ChatGPT ever? All right, so now you can see that this one is the same thing that, you know, for beginners, right? For starters, Linux for hackers, right? So let's go ahead and close this one out. And let's come over to the second resources and see if it's accurate, right? Come on, it's also a YouTube video. This is just amazing. Windows command line tutorial 1. Come on, come on. So if you go ahead and click on the link, you're going to see the resources. But if the resource is not available, what you can do is that while giving it this prompt that we use here, instruct it to be sure that all the resources that it's going to use is available. So ask it to confirm that all the resources that it's going to give out to you is still available on YouTube or any other platform that is going to, you know, route it to. So it's best that you make sure that you inform it ahead of time so that you won't have a lot of resources that are no longer available, right? So here you can see daily routine, what you're supposed to be doing on a daily basis. Is this detailed? I love this. I love this. Now, you don't have any excuse not to learn any skill whatsoever. Now, you're going to be learning it for free, and not just for free, you're also going to be learning it from the best of the best, because Deepseek actually selects the best of the best to teach you everything that you need to know depending on the skill you wish to learn. So now that we have this, we're going to do one more thing or two more things. So we're going to ask it, what are the certifications that I will need to get the best cybersecurity job? And how do I get the required certifications that employers need? And what resources do I need to watch on YouTube to be able to pass all the required certification? Make sure that you verify the resources and confirm that they are still active and available on YouTube. So now I'm going to go ahead and send this. Okay, let's copy this and send this, and let me go ahead and put this on our little prompt library so you can have access to it after this tutorial. All right, so now you can see that it's done, and you can see here below is a verified updated list of the most in-demand cybersecurity certifications for 2024, along with step-by-step guidance on how to earn them and free YouTube resources, active links confirmed. You can see it has confirmed the links. So now we are sure that all the links, all the resources are active on YouTube. How cool is this? Now, this is something that you couldn't have figured out on your own, and you will just be making mistakes. And some people that teach cybersecurity might not even know much about what you're doing. So now you know where to look. Even if you're going to learn from someone, you know what to look out for. You know what to expect, right? That is why this is very good. And I encourage everybody that is interested in learning high-paying, in-demand digital skills to focus more on this. And it will give you good direction on places to learn and what to learn, right? So here you can see entry-level certification. This is the certification that is expected, and this is why it's expected, mandatory for most entry-level jobs. Exam cost, so it's going to cost you $392. Come on, this is amazing. So it's giving you a breakdown of everything that you need so that you can prepare ahead of time. How cool is this? Now, this is not all. There's another thing I want you to add so that I can get all the details you want for the particular job or for the particular digital skill that you want. So here we're going to ask it to let us know how we can write our CV, give us a sample of a CV, and also ask it how we can position ourselves for the best job. So here is very simple. How do I write a winning CV? Give a sample that I can just copy and edit. Also, how do I package and position myself for a very good job offer? So I'm going to send it and let it go ahead and give us all the information, because we want to juice this. We don't just want to learn the skill, but we want to make money using the skill, and that is why we need to get all the details that is required so that we know what we're up against and know the step that we are supposed to take at every point in time. Now, how cool is this? So here is number one, cybersecurity CV template, copy, paste, friendly. So all I need to do is to copy this like so, and I'm going to go over to my documents, Google Docs, and open a new document. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it here for the purpose of this tutorial. So here you have it. It's just amazing. So all you need to do is to change the name, change the write-up, and fill in your certifications and all of that, but just follow the flow, because what Deepseek did was it went to the web and scanned through all the CVs available and the ones that got the job and the ones that didn't, and then brought up the best out of it. So this is the standard. This is how your CV should look. So now that we have this, the next thing we're going to do is to come back to Deepseek, right? And if we scroll down, you can see the number 2, that is answering the number 2 question that we asked, and that is how to position yourself for a high-paying job. So here, tailor your branding, LinkedIn optimization, example, network chunks profile. So it's giving us an example. So all you need to do is to click on it, and then it's going to open. You look at the profile and see how they arranged everything. Take note of the post, the bio, the profile picture, every single thing on the profile. Take note of that so that you can replicate that on your own page. So here is the headline, about section, featured section, portfolio. This is how you're going to structure your portfolio. And B is the interview, technical prep, behavioral prep, and then C, negotiate like a pro. So all these things are things that you need to put in place to be in the best position to get the best job. So here is where to apply for maximum impact. LinkedIn, angel list, executive recruiters, referrals, and so on. And here is avoid these CV mistakes. Now, these are the things to avoid on your CV. Vague bullet points, worked on security tools. What's that? What was that? Now, this is the correct thing to do. Automated vulnerability scans with Nessus, reducing scan time by 40%. Now, this is incredible. So these are some of the mistakes that you should avoid on your CV, and then it gave you an example of how to fix it. And then final tips, certifications, cold outreach template. And this is the template that you're going to use to write your email to reach out, cold outreach. So you go to LinkedIn, you get people's email, like executives and hiring, officers and hiring staffs. You're going to then send them an email using this template. Now, how cool is this? This is so mind-blowing. So you have everything in one. So here, I noticed company is hiring for role. Have X years of experience in skill and recently achievement. Hi, you put the name of the person that you're sending the email to. And then I noticed company. So you're going to put the company that you're sending the email to is hiring for the role. You put in the role that they're hiring for. And I have X years of experience. You put the years of experience that you have. And in skill, right? You put the skill that you have, and recently put your achievement, the things that you achieved, and your certification and things that you have achieved, the things that you have developed, the security breach that you stopped, and all of that. Could I share my CV for consideration? Now, you need to take permission before you send out your CV. You just don't want to badge into someone like that and then put out your CV. No. You need to ask them for permission. So if they reply, you know that they are really interested in hiring you. You know that you stand a higher chance of being hired, right? Stay hungry. The highest paying jobs goes to those who specialize, e.g. cloud, AI security, and showcase memorable impact. So general, you just have to stay hungry. This CV and strategy have helped professionals land roles at Google and the rest of the companies mentioned. Customize it, stay persistent, and aim high. Now, how cool is this? So go ahead and try this out and thank me later. I'm going to be leaving the link to the prompt in our Telegram group. So all you need to do is to find the link to our Telegram channel. If you're not in the Telegram channel already, find the link in the description of this video, click on it and go over to our Telegram channel, and you're going to see the link to the prompt. It's free of charge, so go ahead and try it out and thank me later. And by the way, if you're looking for more ways to make money online, here is the next video that YouTube recommends that you should watch on this channel. So why don't you go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.